Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining PCS Fusion Hub Oracle Fusion Financial Session. In the last session, we were conducted a lab session and we started creating the implementation project we have created, and then accounting calendar which we have created, and then currencies also which we have gone through. Okay, so we have a fair idea about now currency calendar which we have gone through. Right. Next, the fourth step is about chart of account. Let me discuss about chart of account in detail, and we'll and see you the show you the process, how does it works out and everything in detail. Okay. In our day-to-day sessions also, I will teach you the accounting also. Okay, accounting platform as well, like debit, credit, and all these things also, which we will discuss in detail. No need to worry at all. And we will conduct two separate sessions with chartered accountant. With chartered accountant, we will conduct two sessions. That two sessions also we will load into this particular group also. Okay, that recording also will be available all the time. See whatever we have created right so far. Let me share you a file to you. Okay, we have created one WhatsApp group already created, and drive also which we have created for you. So this is the batch. Okay, 109th batch finance. All the videos are loaded here. Today we will release all the things to you. Means whosoever registered and everything, we will cross check everything records by today evening. We will release all the videos to you. First session, overview and implementation, enterprise structure, lab sessions. These three sessions which we have conducted, and today's session also. Today's session also will be given to you. So at any point of time, even in the mobile also, you can just open the drive and you can access your videos. Okay, any point of time. This will be your lifetime. We will not remove from the application. Okay, by any chance, if but all any glitches happen on the drive, or maybe if sometimes too many users are connecting on the drive, usually Google will respond and they will just hold the access. That point of time, let us know. We will validate our account and we will release the instance again to you. I mean, sir, release the videos to you again. Okay, no need to worry about all that. You should be in touch base with us. That's it. Okay. Any questions, guys? Yeah,
No.
any new people are joined? Any new people? Banashri, Venugopal,
Sir,
Brahma. Yeah, yeah,
sir, Excel sheet, please share this topics cover.
yeah. If you have already given the right email address and right
Yes,
WhatsApp,
sir. I will
we should.
give right email address WhatsApp, sir. But
If you have
not.
already given, it will come automatically. No need to ask. You can check with all the people. Maybe you did not provide it properly. Resend again. Okay, I will give you the register link again. Okay, maybe typo errors or something might happen, right? So give your proper details again. I'm just giving you in the chat window. Okay. Yeah, I given in the chat window. Just give your details properly. Okay, fine. Chalo guys, let's move on. Any questions? Any more? How do you feel? Everyone is comfortable, right? Vanashri,
Yes,
Anirudh.
sir.
Huh?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, right? So don't think that this much of slowness will be there in the entire session. So we will be take it forward. So we will. I'm just taking you slowly. The reason behind this, everyone is new to the system and no one have access to the application. A lot of people struggled yesterday to navigate here and there, here and there. That is the reason I'm just going slowly for a couple of days only. Then after once we are done with these practice sessions and everything, we just will move forward like anything. Okay, we have to rush. Okay, fine. Chalo, let's go to the chart of account. Now, let me keep it here. So first one is chart of account. Chart of account. So this is the key. Your entire enterprise structure point of view. This is like a heart of the entire organization. I can say that entire organization. This is the heart. Okay. So basically, for primary ledgers, what we required: currency, calendar, chart of account, and convention method. Okay, so these are called as 4 C's. Okay, four C's. Four C's can bring you a primary ledger. So this is our plan, right? Four C's, out of four C's, we know currency calendar. Now we are coming to chart of account. What is this chart of account? First of all, what does it does? It will create, it will prepare all your accounting process and everything into a streamlined manner. For an example, take about an example. I'm just moving here. Guys, just don't give annotations. Just hold your mouses completely. Yeah, fine. So, uh, Raj, are you trying to do something? Fine. Yeah, fine. So here what we are planning to do, for an example, take about an organization, a real organization, Reliance organization. Reliance organization, what are the activities they're dealing? Okay, they're dealing with the telecom. Okay, they're dealing with retail marketing. They're dealing with petrol. Okay, petrol and chemical, and some other remaining all activities like any other activities. I'm just making as a R and PL, retail marketing network and anything. Okay, all other stuff. I'm just giving a retail and all stuff. Okay, trend is there, shopping, something like that. There are so many things out there, not like that. And digital is there, Reliance Digital is there. A lot of things are there, right? So I'm just making as an RNPL, private limited, like that. Hmm. Now, telecom is already is available. Telecom activities, Reliance Telecom activities is located in Hyderabad, high tech city, and it is planning to pay a rent they are planning to pay. The premises square feet is something like 10,000 square feet. If it is a 10,000 square feet, okay, for 10,000 square feet, okay, they are planning to pay amount somewhere around to 2 lakhs. Imagine just 2 lakhs. I'm just giving 2 lakhs is the rent. Okay. So how do you write the transactions in the books? How do you write? Okay. So usually what is the accounting entry for rent? Rent accounted at R2 cash. Okay. This is the accounting entry. 2 lakhs and here 2 lakhs. Okay. This is debit and this is credit. Okay. And this is particulars. So this is how your accounting entry will be generated. Okay. So particulars, debit and credit, and this is your accounting entry. Fine. This is how. Now imagine, okay, this is accounting entry. Now imagine, okay, how do you know? Okay, in the description earlier in our olden days, whenever we are maintaining our books and everyone, right, we usually write like this. Okay, a person who's ever worked in a chartered accountant or BCom graduate or someone, uh, maybe if you have already seen couple of organizations, they will just maintain a books and they will write, keep on writing this accounting entries and everything. Every month, they will just hold a couple of a bunch of receipts and what you have paid and everything, and they will write the accounting entries like this. Okay, rent account data to cash. Okay, for an example, and they will write here. Okay, rent paid for telecom. Like this, they will write. Okay, and this is the description also they will mention. They will mention the description and they will write it. Correct or not? Have you ever come across this situation? Have you ever come across seen this kind of scenario?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what we have seen. Okay, fine. Imagine this is SFT, this is rent. Imagine if this description is not there. Okay, for which rent you have paid? Which organization you have paid? Have you paid for telecom? Have you paid for retail, petrol, Reliance Petrol? For which activities you have paid? They don't even know, right? If this description is there, yes, I can blindly say that, okay, this is related to this one. In a hurry or in a some other mode of process, they forgot to update the details of a description like this. Then do you think that you will recollect? And moreover, on a daily basis, you will do around 1,000, 2,000 transactions like this. You don't even recollect it, right? So this is the problem. Okay, this is the problem for entering the manual transactions like this. So not only for this one, To avoid these kind of scenarios, what the organization is planning to do, they are come up with a structure, chart of account structure. How they started with a structure, they named it as a company. Okay. And then after department, and then after accounts, and then after future one, future two, future one, future two. Okay. So here, what are my companies? My companies is telecom companies there, retail is there, petrol is there, RNPL. Okay, good. For this, what I'm planning to do, I want to give a numbering coding 01. Okay. So at any point of time, if I want to call a company name called 01, that related to telecom company, retail is related to 02, petrol is related to 03, RNPL is related to 04, like that. Okay. For every company, we should have a departments also. What are the departments? We have finance department. Sorry. Finance department, HR, marketing, okay, sales and distribution, like these departments which we have it, right? Generally, we have, right, a finance department, because hence you are maintaining telecom company means at least 3,000, 2,000 members will be there. For hiring, we need a HR. Marketing, we need a separate department. Sales and distributions, we have a separate department, right? Like this. For these three people, I would like to naming here as a 001. 3. Okay, like this. Fine. Accounts. When it comes to accounts, what kind of accounts we have? We have cash account, okay, rent account, sales and sales accounts, and loans. Okay, like this. We have so many accounts are there. Okay, I will show you how many accounts also we have. Right now only I will show you. For these accounts, what I would like to go, I would like to go with like this numbering. This is the numbering. Short-term loans. This is long-term loans. Long-term loans. Short-term loans. Okay, assets. Like this. We have so many accounts like this. Okay. Now future one is for future purpose. I'm just making as a default. Default I will go with 000, and then this future two is also default 000. I would like to go with this kind of process. Now, now you will get to know, for an example, now if I want to write an accounting entry like this, okay, imagine if I want to write an accounting entry, how do I need to write? How does the accountant also will do? 01, using the finance department, taking care about rent. Okay, so this is how the accounting entry. Now the rent has been replaced with a code combination called 01. Okay. Now 01 is using finance department. Finance department using the cash account. And 01 using the finance department using the rent account. 01 using the finance department using the sales account if you are planning to do any sales account and everything. Okay. Again, in the same way, retail company also can use the finance department and cash account. Retail department can use the finance department and use the rent account. Like this kind of possible ways of code combinations you can generate. Okay, like all the companies. Okay, for an example, petrol companies there. Petrol company is hiring right now. Imagine the petrol company is planning to hire for good employees because recently started with Geo uh, petrol, right? Activities are started, right? So 03 HR department, we are consuming only for HR. Then what you are going to do? Petrol department is utilizing we are spending the money for the HR activities and spending some cash. And the petrol company, we are using HR department and something like sales or expenses, some expenses. I have to give expenses also. We will give expenses. Number 7, like that. Like this possible ways of code combinations you can generate. How many possible ways of code combinations we can generate also I will explain you. Okay. Just keep it like this right now. Okay. Just clearing the drawings. Okay. Now come back here. Now the accounting entry is 01, 001, 002, 00 and 01 hyphen 001-001. See now how easy it is. Without even description also, you can easily say that this accounting entry related to telecom company. Right or not? Is it clear? Everyone, please.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Good.
Okay.
Sir,
So this is how the code combinations are getting generated. Okay. Let me imagine how many possible ways of code combinations will be generated. 0, 1. Ideally, what will happen is you are supposed to create all these combinations. Means what we are supposed to do. For an example, tomorrow we are spending some. Okay, we purchase some asset. We are purchasing some asset. For assets, what about assets accounted to cash? How does this rent accounted as cash is coming? Rent is you are enjoying the benefit of the space, right? That is the reason it is in the debit side. You are giving the cash. Okay, you are giving the cash to the other party. That is the reason it is coming in the credit side. Okay, when we are receiving the money, okay, when we will receive cash account data to sales, when we will receive the money, cash account data to sales, means we are receiving the cash and we are giving the products. Sales, we are selling some products. So that is the reason that at that point of time, cash account data to sales accounting entry will be generated. Don't compare these accounting entries with your normal salaries accounts and everything. That is different and this is different. Okay. So these are organizational accounting entries, and the one which you are dealing with our normal day to day, that is personal accounts. These are organizational accounts, nominal accounts, and everything will come into picture. There are total 3 golden rules of accounting entries. Okay. Debit the receiver, credit the giver, debit what comes in, credit what goes out, debit all the expenses and losses, credit all the incomes and gains. There are 3 accounting entries, 3 golden rules are there. Don't worry, we will come back again about that. But first of all, try to understand this. Okay. Cash account data to sales. Here, cash is coming to the organization. Sales is nothing but products. You are planning to sell the products to the from the organization, going from the organization. That's how it will come like this. Fine. Now, for cash account data to sales, can you tell me the accounting entry for here? Code combination entry. Try for telecom only.
01
Zero
hyphen
one. Yeah.
Mhm.
0001. Four zeros cash account.
Mm,
Yeah. Then 000 hyphen.
great. Yeah. Sales account.
Sales.
01 hyphen 001
Mm,
hyphen
3. Right. Sales is 3.
Yeah, 3.
Okay. Fine. This is how. Got it. This is how the accounting entries are getting generated. Code combinations are getting generated like this. Guys, everyone, right? If you need any more examples, scenarios, I'm ready to help you out. Venugopal, Anirudh,
All good, sir.
all good.
yes sir.
Brahmanathan, Maheshwaran, Raghava,
All
Santosh,
good.
Sumalata, everyone, right? Rajesh,
Yes sir.
Umesh, yeah, fine, fine, great, yeah. Let's see. Okay, these are the possible. Okay, how many? What we are supposed to do? We have to go to. If I want to create a code combination like this, what I'm supposed to do? I have to go to a code combination. I have to go to application. I'm just showing you. Manage account combinations is the place where we are supposed to go there and we are supposed to create the combinations like that. Okay, come here, setup and maintenance. Manage account combinations. Click here, account combinations. Yeah, this is the place. See, chart of account is there. I can go with 108. So here you have to create your combination. See, 108 company, department, account, future one, future two. Like this, we are supposed to create the combinations. Now it is not there. Let leave it. #26. It will be available. /26. Fine, leave it, no problem. I will show you.
RK, this is Mahesh.
Yeah.
So I come from a PeopleSoft background. So in PeopleSoft, we have something called as chart field combinations. So I think
The
this is
same thing.
something similar.
Yes, yes, same thing. That's what I told you, right? It's almost a fusion is a breed of all the applications.
Yeah. So basically, we are trying to say that here all the valid chart field
Combinations.
combinations and it.
Yes. Yes. What we are supposed to do is we have to come to manage account combinations and create in a spreadsheet or something like that. You have to create it. Okay.
Okay.
Now, ideally, if I want to have a sales like this, cash account data to sales account, I have to come and create the first combination only you have to create in that particular place. And then after you can use this multiple times. But I can't, how many possible ways of combinations? Let's see, 01 hyphen 001 hyphen 001. Okay. So I'm just removing the defaults. See how many we can do like this up to 6, right? So 01 hyphen 002 hyphen 0001. Okay. This how many you can do up to 6 like this. Okay. Like this, you have to keep on creating for 01, 02, 03, 04 companies and for entire finance department for remaining accounts, hundreds of combinations you are supposed to create manually, right? So to avoid that, what the application is giving a small concept called allow dynamic insert. Allow dynamic insert. There is a small tick off button will be there. The minute you click on tick off, what will happen? System on its own create all the possible ways of code combinations. Okay. Am I clear? System will create
Yes.
all possible code combinations. See, this code combination ideally you are supposed to create manually one by one. Okay, so here 01 is completed, 02 is completed, again 03, something like that. You have to keep on doing this. Okay, here you have to keep 3. You are supposed to do this all these exercises, but what we are doing here, there is a small check off button. If you do this allow dynamic insert, system only will take care of it. By any chance in nearby future, if there is any new accounting also created, retained earnings, okay, any new code combination also created, system automatically will create the another one. Got it? Now I'm just giving only for 01. Imagine I have to give for 02, 03, finance, HR, marketing, everything which we are supposed to create it. Okay. So this is how. So now this is a call of a chart of account. This is called chart of account. Now what we are planning to do, this we have to convert into a structure. Okay. Chart of account structure. How does the structure comes? Company, department, account won't come in a normal way. So for this, what we have to do, we have to name this as a segment 1. This is segment number 2. Okay, segment number 2. And this is segment number 3. Segment number 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Like this. Total 5 segments which we have to create. We are creating for this. Ideally, how many segments is required? For an example. Okay. How many segments are required for the organization? Minimum is 2. Minimum is 2 segments. And maximum is 30 segments. Okay. We can go up to 30 segments. Minimum is 2 and maximum is 30. Minimum is 2, right? What are this minimum? Mandatorily, you have to go with this one. Mandatorily, these 2 are required. Remaining this department, if you have not having, no, don't have any impact, and the future 1, future 2 is for nearby future because you are creating the implementation project. Tomorrow, right now, I'm planning to, I'm taking into the consideration of all these 4 companies. Okay, telecom, retail, petrol, and everything. Tomorrow I'm entering into some educational. Tomorrow I'm entering into hospitality. Tomorrow I'm entering into some refinements, oil and gas, some other activities. If I want to enter it, I need my application should be ready. At that point of time, I might utilize this for some other activities. So this is how you have to define your structure. Okay. First, you have to understand the what are the activities are there. That many companies you have to build. what are the departments available, what are the accounts available. Like this, you have to keep on implementing the organization into the application. Yeah. Any questions, guys?
Like usually, like you said, minimum 2 segments, right? Like usually, like in organizations, how many segments? Like basically, they will create like mandatory, like 6, 7, or something. Or
Any company will go with them with a 7 or 8.
okay,
Any company, minimum to minimum 6 to 7 they will go.
okay,
But as per the interview point of view questions or anything, so minimum is 2 segments, maximum is 30 segments. You can go up to 30 segments. And you
okay,
can ask me like a best practice. What is the best practice you can go? They will ask you in the interview also, they will ask you, can you
uh,
explain me the best practice for defining your org structure? The best practice is below 10.
okay. Below 10.
Below 10 segments is the best practice. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Imagine, bro, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 combination itself is like this. Imagine if you have 10 segments and you keep on adding dot, 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 it doesn't make any sense.
Yes.
It's a maintenance activity is too much of it. So we always recommend. So there is an organization which I have went to a country and we implemented one of the implementation project for government agency. For that, we given 13 segments. We clearly told them that it will be a time-consuming activity for the end users or any accountants. Are very, very difficult for you to maintain. But still, they denied and they want to go for 13 segments. They're still struggling.
Okay.
13 segments means imagine. Now I will tell you. This is 5 segments, right?
Yeah.
So the code combination, I'm just giving here. This much of combination for one accounting entry.
It's too big.
Too big, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, so it's very, very difficult for you to analyze also if you want to do run a report or anything, and so very, very difficult. So we always suggest them to go for below 10 is the best practice. The best practice as per the industry standards, below 10 is the best practice, but giving organization is giving up to 30.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, application Oracle Fusion is giving up to 30, but below 10 is the best practice.
Okay.
Fine, let's move on. Okay, now what is the plan of action? Now this is our structure. So we have designed our structure like this. Fine. Yeah. Now, see segment 1, telecom. See these digits are there, right? Digits. How many digits are this? This is 2 digits. 0, 2. 2 digits means how much it can go up to? It can go up to 0, 1 to 99. So a company can go up to 0, 1 to 2 digits. I'm just giving as a 2 digits, 0, 2. We can go up to 0, 1 to 99 companies you can go. Okay. This is 3 digits. 3 digits means you can go up to 0, 1 to 999. Okay. This is 5 digits. You can go up to 0, 1 to like this. 5 digits like this, 10,000. Okay. Now you are giving the digits like this. 0, 2 I'm giving for company. Finance department, this is I'm giving 0, 3. 0, 3. Okay. And accounts are given like this. Sir, where do I get all these accounts? No need to worry. Organization will provide those accounts. Let me show you some sample accounts. How does it looks like? This many accounts we're supposed to create. Okay. All these accounts, see. Got it? This many accounts. How to do
Okay,
all this? Yeah,
here a question. So all
yes,
these accounts have to be created manually, or is there an automated
that's what.
process?
That's what. If I give it manually, you will take so much of time. Okay.
Yes.
I will show you both the process. Okay. I will show you the
Okay.
manual
Okay.
process and as well as the automation process as well, both the process.
Sure.
All those things will
Sure.
be loaded in 5 seconds.
Sure.
Okay, fine. Now let's go and create one of the segments and just move on step by step process. Okay, first one is manage. Okay, first one is manage chart of account value sets. Manage chart of account structure. Manage chart of account structure instance. Manage chart of account value set values. These are the one things which you are supposed to create. Manage chart of account value sets. These are value sets. Okay, value sets. Structure. Structure is this one. Structure. Structure. Structure instance. In structure instance, allow dynamic insert will come into picture. Okay. And then after finally value set values. These are values. Okay. Step by step we'll move on. So company is there, right? I will allow to give it 109 underscore company, and the department also 109 department, and accounts also 109. Yesterday we have already given the instance. Now you can do the practice in that as well. No problem. 109 and 109 future 2. Okay. Now let me go with one by one and complete these setups, value sets. Okay. Now let me show you the application. Go to the application. This is the application. Click on the home button. Yesterday with the same login details, you can move on, no problem. Same login details, you can continue, no problem. Yeah. So the minute you log in, here is the settings and actions. Click on this setup and maintenance. Click here, setup and maintenance. Okay. Place the cursor here. Manage chart of account percentage. I'm just giving this navigation in the chat window also for you. Simple navigation, manage percentage CHART chart percentage of account. Okay, search. So here you can see manage chart of account value set, structure, structure instance, value set values. All these 4 steps which you have given in the Excel sheet. So you can see these 4 steps which we are supposed to complete. Fine. Let's click here, manage chart of account value sets. Click here, value sets. Okay, this is the place, value sets place. Now here is the plus symbol. Click here, plus symbol. Now value set code. What is the code we are planning to do as per my Excel sheet? So that is the reason first we have to define. We have to define our application and then we can move on with normal process. Okay. First anything you have to make it in an Excel sheet or anything, then only you have to define. In the real world also we follow the same process. Same thing I'm giving you an idea. Yeah. 109 company, description company, module, which module we are planning to start with, general ledger, and this chart of account is responsible lies with general ledger only. Okay, validation type, what kind of validation this is, format only, independent, dependent, subset table, like these kind of options are there. We are choosing an option called independent. Why we are choosing independent, I will explain you 2 minutes. Okay, value data type. Value data type is character. We are taking as a character. Why we are taking as a character also I will explain you. These 2 points, make a note of it. I will come back. Fine. Let's go down. Definition. In the definition, value subtype. Okay. Text format and maximum length. What is the plan of action for company? We want to give a length of 2 digits, right? That is the length which we want to give here. 0, 2. Okay. And minimum value, maximum value, it's okay. You can leave it uppercase and zero fill. What is the meaning of uppercase and zero fill? Also, I will explain now. So uppercase means if we are using the wording here as a character and a text format, what you can do, you can not only create 01, 02 like that. You can create a numbering also. A1 you can do, A2 you can do, A you can create, AB you can create, AZ you can create. Like this also you can go ahead. Okay. So that is the reason 90% what we suggest the client to go with the value data type character, choosing the here as a character, and value subtype is text. Irrespective of any organization, even if I don't ask the client also, I will give like this. Okay. Until unless specifically client is using some other format or something else, then only I will go and use the different style. Or if the client is already using e-business application and if he is using some other format or something, then only I will go with a different direction. Otherwise, I will just go with this one, independent, character, and text format. If we give here as a number, then what will happen? Only numbering will be given. Up means organization can go up to 01 to 99. It does not have a flexibility like this. Am I clear, guys, still here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now text 2 digits, uppercase and zero fill. What is the meaning of uppercase and zero fill? By any chance in your when your search criteria, if you do here A1 small letters like this, automatically system what it will take A1 like this capital letters. That is called uppercase. And zero fill. Zero fill is something like if it is like a 0001. If I'm typing like this, or I mention as a number one and type out like this, automatically what does it will take? System will take care like this. Okay. So that is the concept of uppercase and zero fill. Okay. Now I'm just creating for company. Save this. Okay. Now I'm creating value set like this. One of the value set I have created for company. Click on the plus symbol again. 109 account. Sorry, department, right? Department. For department, you can see the module general ledger, independent, and character. Definition is text. And here also number 3 digits. We planned for 3 digits. Save it, save and proceed. You can use this one also, not a big deal. Click on the plus symbol 109 account. Account application general ledger, independent, character, text, and here account is 5 digits, uppercase and zero fill. Save this, save and close this. Click here plus symbol 109 future 1. Dependent, character, text format, maximum length, future 1, right? 3 digits. Okay, uppercase and zero fill. Save this, save and close this. In plus symbol future 2. Like this. Sir, I want to know each and everything. Each and every bit I want to know. I don't can't wait till the time. Okay, then what we can do, here is the help icon button also. You can click on the help icon button. It will give you the complete description of each and everything. Overview of the value sets. Click here because we need some time, right? So that you have good amount of time. You want to learn on your own. So I want to learn on my own. I can't wait till the time you explain me something like that. Then you can just check out all these things from validations, independent value sets, table validation, all these things you can see. Lot of options you can see. Create value sets. Here is the value sets. We are planning to create value sets. Right? How to create a value sets. All these things which you can scale up on your own also. Some reading content, you can just check it out. Okay, fine. Now save this, save and close this. Now here value set code, type here 109, enter. How many we created? We created up to 5, right? Guys, is anyone parallelly doing with me? Hello?
No, not me, not me.
Guys, are you there?
No.
Anyone from the old batch, guys?
No, sir.
No.
Just watching.
If anyone from the old batch, if you are using the same methods and formula, just I will not accept it. I will remove from the account. Okay.
Okay.
So this is not acceptable. Okay. Why you are using 109 same time? I've been repeatedly telling several times, right? I don't know who is the from the old batch. If anyone is having the same instance, I will not accept. I will cross check the data and I will remove you from the account. It is disturbing me, right? Fine, guys. I will find that person. Yeah. See now, see here 10 company department. Company is there, department is there, account is there. See, it's not in a sequence. See, it's not in a sequence manner, right? See, what is my sequence? I'm expecting in a sequence like company, department, accounts, future one, future two. This is my sequence, right? This is my plan of action. But here it is not in a this way. First account is coming, company is coming in the second position, department is coming in the third position, future one, future two. Future one, future two, it is in the sequence number. So that is the reason it is coming like this. But it is not my structure, right? So the next step, what is there? First one is chart of account value sets. Yes, this is tick. We completed this. Now structure, what we are supposed to do? We have to give a structure. How to give a structure? By giving the segment naming. If I gave a name like these segments, then automatically what will happen? So all these companies also will follow the same segment. If these are coming in this kind of structure, then how does my code combination also looks like this? This is my expectation, right? This is my initial expectation. So I am planning to convert all my Excel sheet into this kind of expectations. So for this, I created value sets. Now I'm creating a structure. I will assign all these segments and I will assign these value sets to the segments. Okay, let's go into that. Fine, save and close this. Let's create manage chart of account structure. Click on structures. Okay, the minute we click on manage chart of account structures, you can see search bar. Click on the search. So this is the search where you can see the deployment status. If your chart of account is properly designed and deployed properly, then you will get a tick mark like this. Okay. Or if you are not properly deployed, then you will get an error message. You have to fix this error message. Here there is an into mark will come, or here it will come as an into mark. First, our plan of action is to define the structure, and then after structure instance and then deployment. These are the 3 steps which we will go for. Okay. Let's click on structure. Okay. Manage chart of account structure, and here click on the plus symbol. Structure code. What is the plan of action? 109 COA, chart of account structure. Structure. Okay. Copy this, paste this, paste this. Here you can see delimiter. What is the delimiter here? You can see here there is a hyphen. These options are there. For an example, plus symbol. If I select is the plus symbol, how does my code combination will looks like? My code combination will looks like this. Here it will come plus. Like this. My code combinations looks like this. Okay. If I go with a delimiter with star mark, my combination looks like that. Here star mark will come into picture like this. It's all up to client's choice. Okay. Which one you want to give, you can explain them and they can accept whatever the format they are looking for, star mark like that. But 90% we always suggest to go with a dash like this dash. Why this dash is, okay. See, imagine application is in widescreen. Okay, this is all in widescreen only, right? Any page you go, you will see while entering the data or any places you go, you will see only widescreen. Okay, you go to general accountings, journals, all the places you will see widescreen only. Okay, I'm just showing you one of the combination. Okay, one of the accounting entry I would like to show you. It will be with hyphens only. If hyphen means it's easily understandable way. It looks like is also decent. This is the code combination. It looks like also very decent way. So that is the reason we always suggest to go with hyphen button. Fine. Now let's go back. Yeah, this is a hyphen and enable and save it. See here you can see plus symbol is not grayed out. Now minute you click on save, the plus symbol will enable. See a minute I saved, it is enabled. Click here plus symbol. Now you have to give the company 109 company. Okay. API, copy this one, just tab and wait for a minute. Automatically API will come into picture. What is the meaning of API? API is nothing but it will help you to transfer the data from third-party application to Fusion application using REST API. Something is there. Okay, for that. Yeah. Come into the name, paste it, description, paste it, sequence. Number 1. We want to see in the first position company. Paste it. Prompt, short prompt also this one. Prompt is nothing but display. Okay, short prompt is a display. Display width. Here the width is completely different with that one. So here the size which we are given is 2 digits. This is the 2-digit size. Here the display width is nothing but box size. So here this box is no, this is something like a 40, I think so. This is 25. This is 100. This is 150, something like that. So I'm giving 20. 20 size means this much of box will come for us to select in the drop down. We need a numbering, na? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Na? So that numbering should come, right? So that is the reason I'm giving 20. Column name. Column name is segment number 1. We designed all these things for which default value set code. We created one value set code. Na? This one is 109 company. That value set code you have to tag it. Click here, search 109. Okay, 109 company. See, I can easily identify which is mine because that particular persons are using capital letters. This is a proper characters. Okay, proper characters in organization also you are supposed to use these kind of proper characters. Fine. Click on company. And for company, what we are supposed to select here, segment label, primary balancing segment. I will explain you again one more time why we are using primary balancing segment, natural account, why we are not using for remaining. Don't worry. We will go on, we'll move on and we'll complete that. Don't worry. Okay, save this. Okay, save this, save and close this. See, now 109 COS structure is done, segment number 1 is done, and my company is coming into the right direction. So imagine as per my Excel sheet, whatever I'm assuming, that is coming into life now. Right? Now I have to go for department and I have to do the same practice. Click here plus symbol 109 department. Okay, department. Sequence number 2, prompt, display width is earlier we given 20 na, this time I've been giving 30, a little bit bigger size because of 3 digits. Okay, column, segment number 2. Okay, drop down, department. Okay, for department we can use cost center as the segment label. If you don't want to give the cost center label also, it's okay, no problem. If you want to give it, so give, no problem, anything is fine. What is the importance of label also, I will come back. Okay, save this, save and close this. Department is also done. Next, account 109 account.
Sir, why are we writing small a in this API name?
That will come automatically. I'm not writing that. The minute I tab, it will come like that. If you do remove this also, it's okay. By default, system will take like that.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, that is for identification. They see segment identification. They are giving like that. That's it. Okay. Any character it will accept, no problem. So last time we given 30 for 20, 30 we are given. This time we want to give 40. Okay, 40 size. column name, segment number 3, and then default value set code, search here, account. For this, we will enable natural account. Natural account. Okay, save this, save and close this. Okay, see now company, department, and account. We thought of going for 2, right? What is this? Primary balancing segment. Primary balancing segment. And this is natural account. Why we have given also, I will explain you. Just to hold for some time. That's it. Okay. Now next one, future 1 and future 2. 109, future 1. Sequence number 4. This is display with this something like 30. I will give small one only, 30. Future segment also you can use it, no problem. If you want to use it, you can take it. This is for basically for reporting purpose. It will be helpful for remaining segments. Two. Sorry guys. This is sequence number is 5. This is 30. Okay, save it, save and close it. This is done. What is our plan? We want to create a value sets we have created, structure we are supposed to done, we are created, and then after structure instance, click on save this one, save and close this. Okay, click on done. Now structure is completed. See the minute we updated here now, so that is the reason deployment status is this edited mode. It is in edited mode. Earlier 2 minutes back we have seen that is in green color. Now it is in edited mode. Now structure instance, come on, click on structure instance and click on the plus symbol. And again, you can see whatever structure 109 COA structure instance. Structure instance. Copy this, tab out. Wait, yes, paste it and paste it. Here you can see enabled dynamic combination creations allowed. I told you, right? What we are supposed to do, allow dynamic insert is then that combination. This is if you remove this one, you are the person supposed to create all these combinations manually. Whenever a new accounting entry comes into picture, you are supposed to create it. Now what is happen here? System is creating automatically. Click here, automatically system will create all the possible combinations. Okay. Now structure name. What is the structure name we have created? 109, right? 109 COS structure. See, my structure is ready. Now save this. Okay. So what is the plan of action? Chart of account value sets we have created, structure we have created, structure instance we have created, and then finally deployment. Save this, save and close this. Click on done. Deployment. The minute you click on deploy, it will take some time. It will take good amount of time, and then it will turn to completed. If by any chance any error messages are there, you can expand this one and you can fix the issues. Okay. Is it making sense, guys? Now I will
Yes,
explain
sir.
about
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everyone, please.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Vijay, Anirudh,
Yes, sir.
Kanishri, Brahmanad, Raghava, Sumalata, Rajesh, Umesh, Vijay Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Great, great. So you'll see warnings you can ignore, no problem. Errors only you have to fix it. Warnings it will come, no problem at all. But errors you have to fix the errors. Fine. Chalo, let's move on. Now it will take time. Good amount of time it will take. At least 5 minutes it will take. So let's move on. Now I will show you the value set values also. Click here. Setup and maintenance. You have to go to setup and maintenance. Yes, please. Please mute. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. Now manage chart of account. Percentage. So now we are done with value sets. Structure we have done. Structure instance we have done. Now the last step is chart of account value set values. Click here, value set values, and type here 109. Company. Place the cursor to your account 109 company. Click here manage values. The minute you click on 109 values, you can see this, the bar, search bar. Now you have to click on the plus symbol. You have to write the codes and everything in detail. Plus symbol. Now value. What is the value we want to give? 01 telecom, right? So copy this. 01 telecom. That's it. Enable button, start date, end date, sort order, summary. So these things, don't worry. I will explain you one by one. In detail, I will explain you. Okay. So we are running out of time. That is the reason I'm just in rush. Tomorrow I will explain in detail. See sort order, summary, allow posting, allow budgeting. Okay. Save this. Like this, you have to complete all your accounting. 02. Ideally, you're supposed to do manually like this. Okay. I showed you Excel sheet now. You're supposed to create like this manually. So I will give you a shortcut also wherein you can load all the accounts in one shot. Like this 04. Fine. So like this, save it, save and close it. Now the next one is department. 109 department, you have to come back, click on manage values, click on the plus symbol. Here you can see values also, finance department. HR department. Marketing department. Okay, like this. Save this, save and close this. Department is also done. Next one is companies, then department is in account. Place the cursor on account, manage values. See for okay, still it is not deployed. That is the reason you don't see. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, fine. Click on the plus symbol for manage values. See 001 cash account. See how many options are there? So far, what you have seen enabled is there start date, end date, sort date, summary, allow posting, these things which you see. But still here, see, so many accounts got come up. Why these things are come up? Because of the segment label. The segment label what we are given for company we given primary balance and segment. For natural account we have given, for account we have given the natural account. This label is giving you these kind of options. Got it? Account type cash is an asset. Okay, cash is an asset for us. Third party control account, reconciliation account, financial account. Don't worry, I will explain you. We have good amount of topics. Yeah, I will let me show you the topics. Reconciliation. Yeah, payables to general ledger reconciliation. At this place, we will discuss again about all these things, transferring to ledgers, all this additional reconciliation process. Okay, yeah, this is the place. And this is the place we will discuss again in detail about this particular reconciliation button, financial category button, control accounts, all these things we will discuss during these topics. Okay, now click here plus symbol 002 rent account. What is the rent account to type? Rent account is an expense for us, right? Expense. You have to choose expense. Fine. Now click on the plus symbol 003. So sales account. Sales is a revenue for us. Means we are getting money from the customer, right? That is the revenue. So that is the revenue. You have to classify like this. Okay. Loans. Loans is something like your liability for us, right? Loans. Loans is a liability for us. Just account type. liability. Okay, I'm purchasing some building. Building is an asset for us, right? Building. Okay, building is an asset for us. See, any account should be in this particular list only. In this particular list, budget debit and budget credit will be done only at the time of budget. Hardly how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts are there. Any account has to be classified in these kind of account terms. Here, if you see, star mark is there. Star mark is always indicates that it is a mandatory, and remaining fields are not mandatory. Like this, you have to remember. Okay. Next, finally, one more account I will give you. This is called retained earnings account. Okay, retained earnings account. Why we will use this retained earnings account is this retained earnings account is a part of your account type of owner's equity. This is used during the year-end closure process. Whenever we are planning to close the books, last December 31st December, we close the 2025 year. At that point of time, this account will help you to transfer the balances of revenues, accounts, and all these transactions will be there. At that point of time, this retained earnings account will help you to transfer the data from one account to another account like that, or to making nullify. Don't worry, that will come back. That is yearly end process. Only one time we do. For that, we usually retainings account will be used, and that is tagged to owner's equity account. Okay. Save this, save and close this. So now I will come back to primary balancing segment also. So now you got to know, right, the importance of natural account. So for these accounts, you have seen differently, but this account only you have seen the difference. Why? Because of the labeling which we give a natural account. Then what does this label will do? Primary balancing segment. For an example, okay, same transaction I'm just giving. Okay, same transaction I'm giving here. So I'm giving 1,99,99,000.99. Okay, I'm giving like this. Is it tallying? Hmm?
No,
No,
no.
No, right? So this again, I will do one more thing. Okay, okay. You are saying you are not accepting this. Okay, fine. Let me do like this. Is it okay? Amount is matching now. Is it okay?
No.
No, no.
Why? Why?
Company code is different.
Perfect. Yes, exactly. Why? Whose company is this? Telecom company. Who is paying the cash? So this company is paying the
second
cash,
company.
right? Retail company is paying the cash. This is not acceptable. Acceptable only when it is agreed as per the terms and conditions. We have an intercompany process. That is why it is a different story altogether. But right now, with the limited of today's session, this is really not possible. Not supposed to do that. So to avoid all these things, what is the company is giving? Primary balancing segment. Okay, primary balancing segment. What does it does? This primary balancing segment is does it will cross check. Okay, what is the company 0101? Okay, here 2 lakhs is there. Here it is 1 cent is missing. Not acceptable. System will not accept
Yeah.
until unless it is turned to 2 lakhs. System will not accept. Okay. So again, primary balancing rule is coming here for this accounting entry. So here 01 company, 02 company. No, not acceptable. Okay. So here, if it is 01 company and it is paid for some other department, here now,
Now also no.
No,
now it
no.
will accept. No, now it will accept. It doesn't matter. It's okay, no problem also. Now it will accept, not a big deal. Reason is primary balancing segment holds only for primary balancing. That's it. Okay. Only for
Okay.
this account it will accept. Okay. If you want to go for like this, we have how many segments you know? Primary balancing segment is there. Secondary balancing segment is there. Third balancing segment is also there. Okay, like that. So if you go to labels, you will get to know. Close it, structure. Still it is taking time. Still, it is taking time because I know this instance won't work out for deployment. In your instances, it will work. Okay, don't need to worry. Now, if you go check out their structure, search, manage structures, 109, edit this, account or company, anything is fine. See, here you can see so many things are there. Primary balance and segment, second balance and segment, third balance and segment, like this also will be there. Okay, got it? If you enable those things also, then what will happen? It will opt for second one and third one also, it will opt like that. Okay, but normally no one will go for second and third. They will go up to primary balance and segment. That's it. Fine. Anything else, guys? So for what we have learned today, yeah, go on.
Accounting type, it will drop down lies the right. It is coming.
Yeah.
It's out of box or just we need to create for those things.
Accounting type automatically it will come now. We have to do
Automatic.
that.
It's okay.
We have to do that. For accounts, we
No,
have to
you
do that. That is a mandatory.
are selecting like asset, expense,
Hmm.
like that, right? So
Yeah,
those it will.
exactly.
No, not this in accounting type. See, here asset in right side.
Hmm.
Yeah. So these asset and our liability. So we have to create or it's default. It will come.
No need to create. That is already by default drop down is there. In the drop down, you have to choose. That's it.
Okay. The Oracle will give the default.
Yes. Yes. For an example, click here plus symbol. Short-term loans. I want to give us a 00 something like 9. Short-term loan. Short-term loan type is loans we are taking for organization. Either it is an asset or liability. I'm
It's
taking
an
loan from the bank. Hmm.
yeah, liability.
Loan is a liability.
Liability.
So based
Liability.
on the name we need to analyze, right? Whether it
Perfect.
comes into.
Yes. That in the drop down, it is already there. You have to choose liability. That's it.
So in the real time also we'll be having in the similar way like loans.
Yeah. This is real time one only, right? I showed you the previous one, right? Excel sheet.
Huh.
This one I showed you, right? This is the real world only. This is the account. Where is the account? Account. Yeah. These are all real world only. This many accounts we are supposed to create. We will create all these things.
Okay, if you see here it is can you scroll up to something was there? Yeah, international accommodation like this will be an expense, right? In that case?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. Based on the category, we need to include whether it
Yes.
is okay.
Yeah.
And these will be defined by the client, like these all accounts should goes into expense, or by default, our analysis should be required for this one.
No. We have to take care about only the application. Client only
Oh,
will provide all these details.
okay. Mhm. Okay.
But we should have an aware of this application, and we should know the impact. That's it. For an example, client is given wrongly, but
Mhm.
you can't type it wrongly, right? We have to
Correct.
do that. Just analysis. That's it. We should understand that.
Mm-hmm.
They are
And
in a hurry or
under,
they don't have.
under revenue, what are the like categories we need to cover? Revenue.
Yeah. Revenue, they are getting revenue from wine, cheese, wine rooms, tabletops, kitchen.
Okay.
Maybe this is a hotel industry. They're
Mhm.
getting in the revenue like this. They're getting the revenues from these places.
Okay. And
Okay.
one more quick question here. Like yesterday, we have created the implementation project, right? And
Yeah.
today we have created chart of account.
Yeah.
We did not create into the project which we have created. In general, directly we have created our chart of accounts. How can
No,
we?
everything will be tagged. Everything will be linked. Slowly, we are creating one by one, one by one. So, for an
Mhm.
example, right now, what we have done as per the process, see, as per the process, what is the requisites for primary ledger? We required one by one. We are creating one by one, and we are
Mhm.
attaching to primary ledger to project. All these things will go one by one, one after the another one. We will tag it, link
Okay.
it.
Mhm. Got it.
We are
Yeah,
going to link everything. What the arrows and everything will show you. Don't worry.
sure.
Business unit level onwards, we have to come. This level business units, legal entity, primary ledger, enterprise structure, all this linking will show you.
Okay.
Yes, that's it, guy, for today. And we
Okay,
are done.
just one last question. Till
Yes.
when do we have time to register, sir?
Today is the final day.
Okay. By today evening, can we pay the fees?
Sure, no problem. You can continue, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank
First of all, how do you feel, everyone? Everyone comfortable, right? I think
Yeah, definitely.
in industry, no one will give you this much of free days, lab sessions like this. But
Yes,
I learned
yes,
from
correct.
Oracle University. I got
Okay.
learning from Oracle University. I know the pain, how I have gone through the same thing. I don't want others to happen. So that is the reason this environment I have created like this.
Sir,
Okay.
Yeah.
sir, this
Yes,
is
please.
sir technical or functional, sir?
Functional. Only functional. No coding. No coding. Zero coding.
Okay, only functional. Okay, sir.
Yeah. No coding.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Vijay.
This is Vijay, sir. Like, actually, like, I missed yesterday class, sir. Can you please share login credential for this, right?
Already available in the YouTube. You can just check out. Okay. In
Yes.
YouTube also we have loaded. Today also we will load this the session in YouTube, and tomorrow onwards we
Okay,
will
sir.
not load.
Okay, sir. I can find like credentials in the YouTube.
Just yes, PCS Fusion Hub. You will get to know.
Oh,
This
okay,
is
sir.
the
Okay,
video.
thank you, sir.
4 videos.
Technical course what is available, sir?
Technical is no. I don't have technical.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay, I have one question. So whatever you're
Okay.
doing, this sequence of any project, right? Sequence. So you have to start from the general ledger, right?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
okay.
That will it will help you, right? Sequence only will help you out. I'm just going with the flow.
The
See,
sequence of
usually,
setups. Yeah.
usually organization or any other institutions will go like here and there. They will jump like that. Okay, but I don't want to go like that. So this will help you out for your future as well.
Okay.
So for
Got
an
it.
example, you got to know. Okay, I given an Excel sheet to you. You uploaded all the data. Okay, you uploaded all the data. All of a sudden, one of the person came back and said that they want retained earnings. S is there, na? Remove retained. Okay, they want us to change this like this. Now you tell me. So earlier it was retained earnings. Now they change it the naming as a retained only for one account. Now I showed you the way of manual. I'm showing you automation. Also, I'm going to show you. Now, if I show you the manual process, you can go directly and go to that particular account and you can modify that account also, right?
Yeah.
So that is the
Yes.
ideology which I have created. Sequence. Okay.
Okay.
And one last
Okay.
question again.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Tomorrow, do
Yes,
we have a
please.
session?
Tomorrow we don't have any session. Tomorrow and after tomorrow
Okay.
we don't have any session. Only for registered people. We'll continue from Monday. Maybe Monday or
Okay.
Tuesday we will have some follow-ups. I think so. So they can move forward. Maybe
Okay.
I will check with admin team. Admin team will take care of the next process accordingly.
Sure. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay, sir.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.